Explore top quiet mechanical keyboards that deliver tactile or smooth key presses with minimal noise. Perfect for shared workspaces, offices, and late-night typing, these keyboards combine satisfying feel with whisper quiet performance for productive and comfortable typing. Starting at number 1, ROCCAT Magma Silent Keyboard. The ROCCAT Magma Silent Membrane Gaming Keyboard is a PC gaming keyboard designed for quiet yet responsive typing and gaming performance. Featuring a silent membrane switch, it provides smooth key presses with reduced noise, while the 5-zone Chapter 10 LED AIMO RGB lighting offers customizable illumination for a visually striking setup. The keyboard includes a detachable palm rest for added comfort during long gaming sessions, and its sleek black design complements any gaming rig. Built for both style and functionality, the ROCCAT Magma delivers a comfortable, customizable, and immersive gaming experience. Number 2, RK KLUDGE RK61. The RK KLUDGE RK61 wireless mechanical keyboard is a compact 60% mechanical keyboard designed for gaming and productivity. Featuring 61 keys and triple mode connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C, it offers flexible use across multiple devices. The keyboard comes with hot swappable blue switches, allowing easy customization of key switches without soldering, and supports software configuration for programmable keys and RGB lighting effects. Its sleek black design and compact layout make the RK61 ideal for gamers and users seeking a portable, high-performance mechanical keyboard with versatile connectivity. Number 3, HyperX Alloy Origins Core. The HyperX Alloy Origins Core 10-keyless mechanical gaming keyboard is a 10-keyless mechanical gaming keyboard designed for gamers seeking a compact and responsive setup. Featuring HyperX Aqua tactile switches, it delivers precise and comfortable keystrokes, while RGB LED backlighting and software-controlled macro customization allow full personalization of lighting and key functions. Its compact form factor saves desk space without sacrificing performance. And the sleek black design combines durability with a modern gaming aesthetic. Ideal for competitive and casual gamers alike, the Alloy Origins Core balances performance, customization, and style. Number 4, Redragon K582 Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K582 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard is a full-size 104-key mechanical gaming keyboard designed for gamers who want performance and style. Featuring linear red switches for smooth and responsive keystrokes, it provides a satisfying gaming experience. The keyboard comes with double-shot ABS keycaps for durability and dynamic 16.8mm RGB backlighting that can be customized with Redragon software for lighting effects and macros. With a standard layout and robust build, the K582 combines functionality, vibrant aesthetics, and reliable performance for both gaming and everyday use. Number 5, Logitech G413 SE. The Logitech G413 SE mechanical gaming keyboard is a full-size mechanical gaming keyboard designed for both gamers and productivity users. Featuring tactile mechanical switches, it delivers precise and responsive keystrokes with anti-ghosting support for accurate multi-key input. The keyboard is equipped with backlit keys for visibility in low light conditions, and a sleek black aluminum frame for durability and a premium feel. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS, the G413 SE combines reliable performance, modern aesthetics, and ergonomic design for an enhanced typing and gaming experience.